This show is a special tribute to these three girls. And yes, Olympics are over, but still, we are waiting for the gold medal of this cameraman.
That propelled him across the line a second faster than it would have been if he hadn't punched him.
Her win was celebrated by 1 billion people, more than 1 billion people. And you can understand the importance of this win by this picture. This win is so important, Mr. Modi bhi camera mein dekhna bhul gaye. Okay, now think about it. 1 medal and 1 billion people are happy. And this man won 3 gold medals. And look at his face. And after this win, everybody developed a passion for badminton. No, we should not laugh at her, but that was funny. And people loved this win even more because of this. Because ऐसा हमेशा नहीं होता. Just watch this match.
Oh, and now there's a scrap as Bowden.
I mean, who are these people? They are behaving like Ajay Devgan and KRK.
No one's breaking these two up.
I mean, come on, learn something from these kids. Yeah. And let me tell you guys, kids are true sports lovers.
一个封王，这样韩国的申白哲李孝珍就在2010年。
And one more awesome reaction. Wow. And look at these people. Who are they? Badminton players or boxers? Even boxers are better than them. Look at them. So much of love. But this is not boxing. This is disgusting. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to show you my favorite referee. This referee is like Mr. Arnav Goswami, who heads the debate.
To keep interrupting like that, I've run out of patience with you, with a shallowness and half-lit.
And yeah, this is my advice to all you people out there. At least once in a lifetime, run on a track. But not like this.
सुनिए जी, सुनिए, सुनो बहनचोद, सुनिए, इसी तरह मोदी जी मेरे रास्ते में आ रहे हैं जी.
And now, this one is my favorite track video.
Läuferin der 90er bezeichnet und dann war sie noch ganz unter
इसे कहते हैं टाइम पे पॉज करना. Okay, watch.
Pass auf, aber sie weiß nicht, wohin sie hingucken soll. Oh, das sah bös aus. Kofi Amarapan am Anlauf zu seinem 4. Versuch.
Okay, guys, do you remember the dialogue of SRK in Bazigar?
और हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं.
Here is the proof. और अपनी रिलीज डेट किसी और को देने वाले को मियाँ भाई कहते हैं. But wait, guys, there is one guy in India who can win 10 to 12 gold medals like this. You don't know him? His name is Baba Gurmeet Singh Ram Rahim Insan. Great guy. Okay, do you know someone who jumps like this? But this actually happened. Check this out. It's a living example of Aam Aadmi Party. Off the track. Okay guys, jokes apart, but I have huge expectations from this athlete. Yes, come on. Here she goes. But you know what? Nobody can beat Indians in long jump because we have great coaches. Check this out. What a perfect jump. But jokes apart, we are proud of her. Great performance.
He needs massive heel speed. Needs the feet up and over, 1, 2. Oh, and she makes it!
You think it's really easy? No, it's not. Check this out. After flying jut, he's flying gymnast. Honestly, nothing is easy for a gymnast.
Joe McGee. Oh my goodness.
That was strange.
This is how KRK is handling his life. And one more salute to this great girl. In this picture, we can see a champion and Mr. Modi can see a camera. The reason why we created this show is because we people are dying to know the untold story of our star cricketer and don't want to know about any other sport. But wait. But guys, I found some weird games. For example, this game is really disturbing, silly and disgusting.
Charlie, plant your feet.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching the show, guys. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, press the subscribe button. And yeah, Month of September, we all are waiting for MS Dhoni, the untold story, and I'm a Dhoni fan, and this is my tribute. I found something really interesting, guys. It's not a movie, it's a reality. It's actually the untold story. And now try to understand this untold story.
मैं मुझसे किसको कर डांस कर मैं मुस्लिम किसको गाली दिए थे? बोल उसको गाली दे दिए थे हम। तुम कहे दे दिया था उसको फोन? हमको जानते थे, गाली दिया था। हाँ बोल लिया उधर से जब कुछ बोले ना इसका। अबे मैं नहीं है। तुम एक पिक्चर में देखेगा साथ में अभी।